हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आउट ऑफ बॉक्स विद अनिल पांडे। और आज 14 फरवरी 2025 है, तो सभी को जो भी है हैप्पी वैलेंटाइन डे। आज मैं फिर आपके पास एक प्रेस्टीज ग्रुप के द्वारा, जो कि प्री लॉन्चिंग स्टेज में है, प्रेस्टीज सनक्रेस्ट करके, जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी में है, काफ़ी अच्छी लोकेशन पे है। बिकॉज अगेन वो प्रॉपर्टीज़ मैं लेके आता हूँ स्पेशली प्रेस्टीज और गोदरेज की, जो व्यूअर या जो बायर्स हैं उनकी एक्सेलेंट लोकेशन हो और उनको ग्रोथ मिल पाए। और सो मेरा प्रयास ये रहता है कि मैं ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी आप तक लेके आऊँ, आपको अपडेट कराऊँ, सो दैट कि आप उस तरफ जो लोग इच्छुक हैं घर लेने के, दे कैन हैव ए आइडिया फॉर बेटर परचेज ऑफ देयर ड्रीम फ्लैट और होम। हर एक की इच्छा होती है। और बेंगलोर इज़ ए सिटी वेयर सभी जगह से, ऑल ओवर इंडिया से, कई स्टेट से जो लोग आते हैं, तो शुरू में रेंटल रहते हैं, चूँकि आईटी में जो है उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिलता है, तो नेचुरली सभी को लगता है कि जो मैं भी अपना घर खरीदूं। अपने घर खरीदने का जो पैशन है, जो खुशी है, वो अलग से होती है। तो मैं आपके पास प्रेस्टीज सनक्रेस्ट का एक बहुत अच्छी लोकेशन पे एक लेके आया हूँ। प्रेस्टीज सनक्रेस्ट के बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं बताता हूँ। ये न्यूली लॉन्च प्रोजेक्ट है बाय प्रेस्टीज ग्रुप एट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फेज़ 2 बेंगलोर। It is ultra luxurious residential project, and which has got near about 80% open area इसमें है, और 20% में इन्होंने बिल्ड किया। देन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द ग्रीन लैंडस्केप, व्हाट देयर प्रेस्टीज इज़ नोन फॉर द एमिनिटीज़ एंड बेटर लिविंग और लग्जरियस लाइफ एंड आल्सो फॉर ग्रोथ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। सो आप इसको देख सकते हैं। एंड ये 2 टावर इसमें केवल लेके आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि लैंड पार्सल जो है इसका केवल 6 एकड़ है। और इसमें जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो 1, 2, 3 और 3.5 BHK ये लेके आ रहे हैं। G+23 का स्ट्रक्चर है, G+23 एंड G+24। वन टावर दे आर ब्रिंगिंग G+23 एंड अनदर टावर दे आर ब्रिंगिंग G+24। एज़ मैंने बताया आपको, बिकॉज इसकी लोकेशन बहुत एक्सेलेंट है। सो मैनी IT offices are there in electronic city. You will find Infosys just nearby 1 kilometer, and so many other Wipro and other IT parks are nearby. And then you will get a metro connectivity also. Further I will tell in video, 2 metros are nearby to this. And again, electronic city is fast growing. Metro connectivity not only from electronic city to airport is underway. So it is a good opportunity for youngsters who want to invest in the growth point of view and also for purpose of living. So and the starting price is, as I told, the configuration is 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK. You can calculate it is more 3.5 just equal to 4 BHK. 1 BHK just I will say, now describe. Super built-up area start from 661 and goes up to 691, and then price is 70 lakh onward. So the price from lower unit 1 BHK start from 170 lakh onward, and 2 BHK start from 1222 and goes up to 1231, and price start from 1.25 CR. 3 BHK with 2 washroom, the SBA super built up area start from 1452 and goes up to 1510 square feet, and price start from 1.50 CR. 3 BHK again there is little change, 3 washroom you will get, so that is a quite larger space of SBA, 1751 to 1771, and this is the super built up area, and price start from 1.90 CR. 3 BHK again larger plus bedroom, that size start from 1953 and goes up to 2005 square feet, and then price is starting from 2.1 CR onward. So I mean to say, minimum price start for 1 BHK it is 70 lakh onward and goes up to 2.1 for larger 3 BHK plus bedroom. So this is, and as you know, the Prestige is known for their construction, because their construction is E-class, L&T is doing. And in Bangalore they have got very much depth in not only in the residential project, they have got so many commercial project also they have made. They have made IT park also. So my motto is only here, when anybody want to invest in the property as investor or in search of home, why not to based in the A-class property, A-khata property, so where your money is safe and whatever you are investing, that is also safe, which in other builder you need to think, because I am just following Prestige and Godrej up to now. Whatever my experience I am sharing with you, Prestige and Godrej is excellent, and customer belief is also there, because it is a pan-India company. Now address wise, I will just read out the address. This Prestige Suncrest location is Crystal Pack, Jigani Road, Electronic City, Bangalore, Karnataka 560099. It is just situated by side of State Highway 87. So this is regarding, I told you regarding the and key. Now see, earlier they have given the key dates. Possession, as just I told, launching date somewhere it is coming to be in this within 1 or 2 months, and then possession date, as you know, from the date of launching it takes 4 years. So you can understand at the end of 2028 or quarter of 2029 this whole apartment will be, as soon as RERA is approved, so then followed by there is a, when RERA is approved, so banks will come and they will approve, like SBI or SDFC. Those legality again before buying you should check it. Here this video information which I am giving you, it can update you, whoever is searching for buying or want to buy their dream home. So what happens if you get a information whether in India or abroad, you can decide about your budget. So and then it can be easy for you to make any decision to buy the property. Project highlight once more I will explain. It is residential luxury apartment with the parcel of land only 6 acre. Number of units they are bringing 437, and size ranges from 661 and goes up to larger size 3 BHK plus bedroom 2005 square feet, and configuration 1, 2, 3, 4 BHK means 3.5 BHK is maximum, and then possession time as per their latest information is December 2028, but to take it the moment it is launched, from there 4 years. 2 towers, one tower will be G plus 23, another will be G plus 24. So this is the price. Also I have told you the and other features. Just I will just narrate you about what amenities they are giving. Prestige is known for, as I told, they are known for better amenities, better construction and customer belief, and location also, because प्रॉपर्टी अकेले ऐसा नहीं होता है कि प्रॉपर्टी आपने बाई ब्रांड ले लिया. प्रॉपर्टी अगेन आप रिसर्च करिए तो आपकी लोकेशन के हिसाब से होनी चाहिए. आपका जो ऑफिस है डे टू डे, दैट आल्सो सपोज टू बी कन्वीनियंट टू यू, एंड आल्सो फॉर फैमिली इट मैटर मोस्ट, बिकॉज नियर बाई स्कूल्स होने चाहिए और आपका मेट्रो कनेक्टिविटी होना चाहिए, शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स. दिस मेक्स द प्रॉपर्टी विद ब्रांड परफेक्ट प्रॉपर्टी फॉर योर इन्वेस्टमेंट also, and for your living in that thing also. So it matches, because Electronic City again is hundreds of IT companies are there, so employment wise also nice, and also already existing infrastructures are there, metro connectivity are there, surrounded by so many hospitals, college, because again it is a choice. Suppose you are working there, then it is feasible for the any IT professional to have there, because it is surrounded by so many reputed schools, shopping complex, commercial complex, and business complex, and also healthcare units are very much branded. Healthcare hospitals are there, metro connectivity is there, so that makes the perfect investment for any individual who want to buy as per their convenience, because the individual, it is your decision, solely your decision. You check out, and if you think it is suitable, for you, so you can go ahead with this brand of the property. What amenities they are providing? They are providing gym, swimming pool, yoga pavilion, video door, phone facilities, kids activity zone, mini theater, tennis court, indoor games, clubhouse, dance, music house, amenities, and again jogging track, and so many 30 plus 5 amenities are there, as I told you. And why prime location? Because again, electronic city is known for better location, as nearby IT companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, well, these are just surrounded by this nearby area. If you check it out connectivity wise, then Kormangla, Whitefield, Sarjapur, these are the nearby connectivity. And then social framework, if you see Motherhood Hospital, Cloud9, Kaveri hospitals are just in vicinity of this place. Major school, Vedam school, BBM, so many reputed schools are there. Bega City Mall is just nearby. Metro again, Mall is also just nearby. So nearby you will get two metro. Just I will say nearby bus station is 6.2 kilometers, and Bomsandra metro station is only 3.2 kilometer from this place. Nearby railway station is also 7.2 kilometer away from this. So these all makes it perfect. Good transport. So reason to invest, again people ask why to invest in electronic city, why not to other place? Because again that area you will get a prestige brand in lesser value than compared to, because you want to, if any individual want a growth, then he should think of where the brand also there, connectivity, location also there, but it should meet their budget also. So there are the reasons why you should invest in electronic city, because it has got good transport work to all areas with major cities, include NH7 and NH State Highway 87, modern 40 plus super amenities, easy access to airport, that when metro will come then only easy access, otherwise now at present traffic is more. Till the time metro is coming up, when you will get a delivery of this flat, I hope within 4 years the electronic city to airport Kampegoda, the metro facility will be there. And fast growing social infrastructure with lot of colleges, school and malls. Just I told you, these all the reasons. It makes this perfect for any individual to go for this. Again, it is as I used to say before, because this is your groundwork. Why my video, anybody can have the idea also who want to purchase the house. House cannot be purchased within one day. It requires a rigorous exercise regarding financial budget, and so many thinking from family side. Everything has to be, because it is not a, as I told, within 24 hours you cannot purchase, and you should not purchase a house with little preparation. So whenever you want to buy the house, you must have a preparation. So my video will help you. You can visit your in that your spare days like weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and you can check out the property. If it matches you, then you can have because early also, suppose this is under pre-launch stage, so you may get a benefit, because every builder, whenever the project is in pre-launch state, certainly the price is lower, because they builder also want a fund, so they are just generating UI and so many various things, where after launching the project, again the price will shoot up to 30 to 40%. So initial, whoever having preparation regarding finance, budget, they can prepare and they can just book it. And to even growth point of view also, within 1 or 2 years, it may give you the growth for near about 30 to 40%. So initial stage booking the flat is always benefited. Think of that project, visit, and then check all legality. And then if it is suitable for you, you can go ahead with this property. So beware how you like this video. Let me know through comment box. And also it is my request, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon. More than that, it is further request, kindly share to the needy people, because बेंगलोर में एज आई टोल्ड इनिशियली बहुत लोग आते हैं, अपना जॉब ढूंढते हैं, अपना ड्रीम हाउस की सर्च में रहते हैं। तो अगर उनको कोई प्रोजेक्ट ब्रांडेड ए क्लास प्रोजेक्ट आप उनको शेयर कर पाएँ, बता पाएँ, so that it can help and to take a better decision about buying the project. This is only my motto. So I will be carry on giving you the latest update on the real estate, and mostly from Prestige, Godrej, and also for other builders whose project, in my opinion, in my experience, match a viewer's requirement. Till then, thank you everyone.